Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the setting tricks on Heartopia. Like, did you know there's a simple settings in Heartopia that lets you pick up mushrooms and other researches without unequipping your hobby tools? And normally when you're holding a tool like fishing rod or scanner or other hobby tools, you can pick up researches right away like this. You can pick it. You usually have to equip the tool first, which can be pretty inefficient because you need to click multiple times. But there's an easy trick to fix this. First, just open the settings like this and then go to gameplay and then add the pick options. This one, just make sure this option is turned on. At the tap the bubble button to pick these options. Make sure to turn on like this. And then after you activate these settings, the things become much easier. If you, whenever you are near mushroom or other researches, you will see the bubble like this, and then next just tap it to pick it like this. Now you can collect researches without unequipping your tools at all. These small settings makes gathering items much faster and more efficient while exploring Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.